Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the keys off of a MacBook Retina Pro keyboard. So a couple of days ago, I spilled some juice on the keyboard and it made a couple keys really sticky. For example, you can see here when you press the 9, it becomes really tacky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean these things with a sharp object. So the first step is you kind of want to take a sharp object and then just gently pry on the side of the key. And then once you're able to stick your finger underneath it, then you just kind of gently try to take the key off, and then like so. So you can see underneath the key, there's those red spots, which is kind of the remnant of the juice. And then you can take a wet paper towel, just gonna give it a good wipe, like so. And then set it aside. So here on this mechanism, you can see there are these two nubbins right here. So again, take a sharp object and just kind of gently pry these nubbins off. And then the whole mechanism comes off. Okay. And then again, same step, take your paper towel and just give a very good wipe. And then once that's done, you want to clean what's remaining of the keyboard. So here again, just wipe this compartment very well. You can see that thankfully the juice didn't end up penetrating through the keyboard onto the motherboard. And just make sure you give it some good wipes. Alright, so to install everything back together, you can see that this is the cover, and you can see how there's a thin part and a thick part. So at the same time, when you look at the keyboard, there are these hooks right here. So both of these hooks go on right here. And make sure you have the thin part on the bottom, which you can kind of see if you can get a better angle. Yeah, you can see how the thinner part is right on the bottom. So then you just kind of place it right here. You see how both of the hooks hooked onto the mechanism, and after those two are hooked, you basically just press down on these two and then just kind of secure it. So now all of the 4 hooks are hooked on to the right spot, and then you're done. Basically just take the rest of this and just put it right on top of it and just press really hard. You can see much better. This is the unfixed one on this side. You can see how sticky that is versus the fixed one.